I'm about to take this thing to get the muffler chopped off and just straight piped, and then maybe we'll see about the cats, but we'll see when we get there. I don't know. All right, guys, so we're back at JPG, getting the muffler cut off and just fully deleted. 180 bucks to do this, so it's not bad, I'd say. No? So I guess I'll let you guys know what it sounds like after. Bro, so I'm at the gas station. They have Prime. I'll have to get this one.
Oh, let's get the red one.
Ice pop.
That way you can try mine.
Okay.
What is this? Let me see the flavor. Tropical punch.
Nice. All right, let's get this and then get some gas for the truck. All right. So got this. It's the ice pop one.
It smells good. Cheers. No, I'm kidding. It's actually not bad.
Dude, it tastes like it has so much sugar in it.
Oh yeah. You wanna try mine?
But it says there's like no sugar.
Yours is better.
I like that too.
Yours is far better.
Doing it the getaway. Some gas stations have that tab there and some don't. I don't know. Kind of weird. Yeah. Damn.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
The pops?
Yeah. Holy. That's crazy. It pops.
Little purrs.
Oh no, dude. Cold start.
Maybe my mom did see it.
Someone stole my cat. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my god, did someone steal my cat? Damn, dude. Alright, guys. So I'm driving the bus down right now. And it's very loud, as you can hear. But I did the transmission fluid, drained it, refilled it. So I just did it like a quick change. So I got some new fluid in there because I don't know when it was last changed. And started the car after the fluid change. Everything's tight. And all of a sudden I just hear the loudest clunking, and it sounds like it's coming straight from the pan of the transmission. So that's great. Changed the fluid in the transmission, and all of a sudden now I have a massive clunk in the transmission. No idea what that could be. It sounded so bad. I'm gonna see if my buddy can send me a clip because my phone was dead at the time. It was 3 a.m. last night. It was a horrible night.
All right, give us the update.
No. Get it from Jake.
What's the update here, Jake?
This guy's in the
My underwear's ripped.
No, nice. What are you guys looking at?
So, that cat. Right there.
This?
Yeah. So,
It's a little hot.
yeah. So, there's in the cat. You seen inside a cat?
Yeah.
Right? There's honeycomb that she
Yeah,
can break
yeah.
off. And I think that's rattling there.
Okay, go start it. You think it's in this one?
Yeah.
Here, I'll start it. Just don't put your hand on the exhaust.
No, don't touch anything.
Ready?
Yeah.
Make sure it's in park.
You scaring me now. Oh, it's in there for sure.
Now feel this. Nothing.
Yeah.
Rev it a little.
It's in there for sure.
100%, right?
100%.
So, you're good. 100%.
I feel like, yeah. It's pretty close, but it sounds like it's 100% in there. Alright, cut it off.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Cut the cat
Just
off.
be careful you don't cut something else into there. Like a fucking fuel line.
Or the transmission.
I thought, there goes the truck. Because because I just fixed the fuel lines. Like, I'll do a whole story time on this truck. Like, I didn't think all this would happen within a week. That's why I haven't been posting too, because I've just been scrambling to try to put this truck back on the road, and then here we go, another problem. I think about 2-3 hours of us trying to figure out what's going on, starting the truck, turning it off after hearing the clunk immediately. Like, it was clunking around like something was hitting gears in there, and it was just bouncing around in the oil pan of the transmission. I had no idea what it was. I got the cat here, and yeah, and that's what was rattling the whole time. We spent, I think, more than 3 hours. Anyway, I'm driving an hour and like 10 minutes to go get a high flow cat installed. So I think I'm gonna have to get both cats done. So it's gonna be $385 each. Oh my God. And we're here. Alright guys, so it is now the next day. That's pretty loud. Also, no more engine light, which is pretty lit, because I knew it was just for an O2. I scanned it, and I'm guessing that's because the cat blew. So now we don't have an O2 problem, but I'm gonna get some clips of it doing a little pull. It quiets down a bit, but it's still pretty loud. But when it warms up, I'll step on it and I'll let you guys hear it rev up a little.